Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a bargain beauty haul to share with you today. I've got 3 different packages from 3 different companies and it's all beauty stuff. So I have got one very heavy Superdrug parcel from when they did their buy one get one free on all their makeup. One slightly smaller parcel from MUA when everything was 25% off. And one parcel from Very, which is full of Topshop makeup at like 90% off. In this video, we're going to be opening all of these packages and a lot of it is makeup, so we can have a little swatch and try out some of the products too. Please consider subscribing to my channel and maybe one day I'll post something other than a haul. That doesn't seem likely. The first box I've got is actually from Superdrug. I placed this order when they had buy one get one free on makeup, but it's actually mostly shower gel and stuff. I can't really remember what's inside. First thing that I can see in here is the Garnier Ultimate Blends Moisturising Hair Food Aloe Vera and Coconut 3-in-1 Hair Mask. Wow, that was a long name. As you would have seen in the intro, I have got a lot of hair, but I don't have any hair masks. And because the hairdressers have been closed for, you know, however many months at this point, I can't get it cut. I mean, I can blame it on that, but let's be real, I've not had a haircut in like a year and a half, so I can't really blame it on lockdown at all. I really like Garnier Ultimate Blends line. I use the shampoo and conditioner, so that's why I got this. But also, I think it was like half price as well. Should we have a smell? Just looks like cream. It smells pretty good. Doesn't smell too much of coconut, which is nice. I'm not a huge fan of the coconut smell. I don't really like coconut smell, coconut taste. Should we get all the shower gel out first? I got some of these Superdrug ones because they're like 79p each, and they're, you know, they're fine. They're like the natural source ones. They just have more scents. My boyfriend goes through shower gel very quickly, so I don't like to spend loads of money on it. So I've got the mint and tea tree one. There's the lemon and tea tree. Got the orange and satsuma one. Got dragon fruit and vanilla. And I've got lime and ginger. I think the lime and ginger is my favourite, but they all smell really nice. Also got some more girly ones. I think these were like buy one get one free or something. This is the Dove Reviving Pomegranate and Hibiscus Tea body wash. And then there's another one of these in a different scent. The Dove Nourishing Silk and Microbiome Gentle body wash. So the rest of it should be makeup. I mean, I can see already something is smashed in here. That's not great, is it? Oh, brilliant. Well, this is supposed to be the e.l.f. eyeshadow and bite-size eyeshadow and pumpkin pie, but as you can see, it's like smashed a bit. This is what happens in Superdrug, just like lob it all in here and it just gets smashed into pieces. So I'm sure that's lovely, but it's all over me and it's all over all of the other products as well. I got the Berry Bad one as well, the hot jalapeno. You can't see really what they look like because they're all covered in eyeshadow. So I've also got the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I got that in the shade light beige. I'm quite beige, so maybe that will be fine. Also got the Collection Speedy highlighter, which is like a cream stick highlighter thing. This is one of those things that I think in real life it would look really nice, and then on camera you're hardly going to see it. I wanted something that looked nice in real life. That's in the shade, does it have a shade? Pearl Sheen. This is another recommendation from Sarah on Twitter, who said the Carmex lip balm is like the best cheap one, so I've got that. Thank you, Sarah. I've got some Shoal Dry Skin foot cream because I've got really horrible, disgusting feet. And the last thing in this box is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I needed a new mascara because I threw all mine away because they were like a year, 2 years. Maybe more old. I see everybody recommending this as a good drugstore mascara. But it was like £12. It's not really that cheap. I mean, when it's buy one get one free and everything, it's fine. But okay, this box. When I was on Superdrug, everything was going out of stock, which was irritating because it was stuff that I wanted, and I kept trying to check out, and it was taking ages to load. And some of the stuff I wanted was from MUA, so I just thought I'd go on MUA's website and get it there. And on their website, they actually had 25% off that day anyway. See if they've packed theirs better. There were a few things I wanted as well from MUA that have actually been discontinued on the Superdrug site, so I thought I'd better get them from the MUA site before they were gone forever. First thing I've got, this is the MUA Matte Soft Suedes palette, but it just looked like a nice sort of palette to pair with to make a nice everyday look. You've got your cool tones and your warm tones in there. It was only like a couple of pounds. Wait, do I have the prices? I do not have the prices. But I've had my eye on this for a while and I just thought 25% off, I may as well grab it, you know, while I'm there. These were the things I wanted. So apparently these have won some awards. They, to me, look very, very similar to the Glossier Cloud Paints, which I would love to try, but they're so expensive. And these are like £2. So I just got 3. I'm not that great at liquid or cream blush. I find it really hard to apply, so I thought it would be better if I just got some cheap ones and try it out. I got the shades Taupe Tango, Peach Puff and Tiger Lily, which are kind of their most neutral shades that I thought would be the best for my skin because I'm quite pale. I think the bottles, they look a lot darker than they actually are. So should we swatch them? I'm gonna start with Tiger Lily. Yeah, that's pretty nice. The consistency is really nice. It's really like soft and smooth. Oh, I'm hoping to get a BB cream, but I haven't managed to get one yet. The one I was going to get off Superdrug was the Gosh one, and it went out of stock as I was shopping. That one's Peach Puff. That one's more peachy than the other one. I mean, they look quite similar, don't they? This one is Taupe Tango, so this is the more neutrally type one. So it's more of a brown. Yeah, that one's quite a lot darker, isn't it? I like it. I think I picked some nice colours. They do have a pink one, but the pink one seemed a bit too pink, like a bit too baby pink. That just looks like a bad fake tan job on my hand. But, oh, they smell good. Yeah, they smell a little bit sweet. I'm glad I managed to get them. I don't know if maybe they're discontinuing them. They're not selling them at Superdrug anymore. It's a bit dirty. Why is there dirt in here? I also got the MUA Pro Base Moisturising Primer. I've used this before and I really liked it. For like a cheap moisturising primer. A while ago, I was looking for a moisturising primer, like a drugstore price one. And this one and the sleek one were the only ones I could find. I do like the sleek one, but this one's a lot cheaper. This is only like £4. It's just a bit like a light moisturiser, and it just kind of sinks into your skin straight away. Makes your skin like slightly tacky, so you can put your foundation on over the top, and also quite moisturised, and maybe a little bit smoothed as well. I just really like it. I think this is like £4 usually. For that price, definitely worth it. The last thing in this box is the brush cleaner. I don't know what all this dirt is in the bottom of the box. Why is everything dirty? I always need brush cleaner because I always need to clean my brushes. In fact, I need to clean my brushes right now. Maybe I'll go and do that after this. And this was in the sale, so I just thought, that's a big bottle, I'll get some brush cleaner. I'm sure it will be like every other cheap brush cleaner that I've ever used. Perfectly adequate. I just thought I didn't swatch this, so shall we swatch it? I'm hoping these are like creamy and... This one's obviously going to be light, so you probably won't see it very well. But so those are nice. I mean, you can't really see. They're not supposed to be like, you know, ultra pigmented, and that isn't what I wanted them for anyway. I've got a million ultra pigmented eyeshadows. I'm not going to spend time trying to make them look amazing when they're just... They are super soft, and they will be really good for like blending other shades out. There's not really anything to it, is there? I mean, it's the same colour as my skin, but... What else do we have? Oh, there's one more parcel. The last parcel is from Very. I was on one of the makeup Facebook groups and I saw a girl post that she was on Very and they had loads of Topshop makeup for like £1. I wanted to try Topshop makeup for ages. It was way too expensive in my opinion. I thought I'd just try a bunch of it. I think for like the H&M makeup is good and it's affordable, but the Topshop one is a bit... I mean, it could be amazing and it could be worth it, but... Oh no, there's going to be like a million little packages inside. Oh. Brilliant. What a waste. This is a long wear eye crayon. They didn't have any like swatches online, so I just like randomly picked some. Oh, that's nice. £2 this was. That's lovely, lovely. This is brow pencil in imprint. This was also £2. Standard eye pencil, eyebrow pencil. Oh, that's actually quite nice. It feels quite dry, but then it's got quite a lot of payoff, so And I always like when a brow pencil includes a little brush on the end. So sweet. Oh, just try not to throw it around the room. Hopefully I picked the right colour for my eyebrows, but who knows, my eyebrows like change colour on a daily basis, so who cares. This is a lip gloss in Epaulet. Ooh. It's very duochromy. I like the packaging. It's a lip gloss, I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see. This is a nice lip gloss. Problem with duochrome lip glosses, in the tube they look awesome, like you can see the green. On your lips, I don't know, it's just a lip gloss, isn't it? You know. It's nice, and for £2, I'm not complaining. Oh no, sorry, £2.40, this one. So this was like a little duo. You get a mascara in, for some reason it's called Keyboard, which is black, isn't it? Keyboard. And then you get the chameleon eyeshadow. So when these came out originally, I was like losing my mind over them, but I also didn't want to spend £15 on an eyeshadow. So this was a £5 for the eyeshadow and the mascara. It's nice packaging. What do you think? Should we try it? It's probably not going to have much payoff. It's just going to be glitter. Well, it's nice. It's nice. You can't really see it because I've got too many lights on, but it is duochrome and it is nice. I wish you'd been able to pick the colour because I think they had a couple of different colours, but I didn't want to end up with like a million mascaras on the same eyeshadow by accident, because you couldn't buy them individually. And then, shall we open the mascara? A mascara is a mascara, in my opinion. Oh, it's got a square tube, and the brush looks like that. That's pretty bog standard mascara brush there. Now I have 2 mascaras that are not 10 years old. Brilliant. Is this another eyebrow pencil? No. Oh no, this is a brow gel. Oh, wow, the brush is tiny. Okay, if you like tiny brushes, I guess this is for you. But do you think that's misleading? Like, because that looks like there's a lot of product, but then all of this is just a stick with a brush on it. Like, why have you made it that big? Just save some plastic. I hate companies that use too much plastic. Ah! This is another long wear eye crayon in Art Club. And I guess is why I went for this one over some of the other shades. I mean, other than the fact it's green. These are really creamy. I wish I got some more of these, but you couldn't really tell what the colours were online. I don't want to end up with... I've already got quite a lot of eye pencils, so... This is the other lip gloss. I used to have a lip gloss that was a bit like this from Collection 2000, like back in the day when I first started wearing makeup. And yeah, it's basically exactly the same. It's like a pink duochrome one. I just used to wear this all the time. I loved it. Though the one I had more glitter. This doesn't... I mean, I don't like loads of glitter now anyway. This has got a bit less glitter. It's more mica. Back in the day when the glitter was chunky as hell, you could see it from the moon. Was it a look? I mean, yeah. A glow liquid pot. This has just got nice packaging. Look, it looks high end. I think Topshop really likes spring for their packaging. Oh, this is like really, really, really wet. I don't know. It's not. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's not like massively, massively pigmented, but it's a nice colour. It's like a gold I can wear, because if it's too gold, it just looks terrible on me. I look like I'm made out of metal. And I feel like the consistency, it's going to be easy to blend into foundation, which I really struggle with cream products. So for £2.40, yeah, sure, okay. Well, there's 2 more. This one's an eye pencil. This is just a grey. It's in gunpowder, so I'm guessing like gunmetal-y type colour. You know, nice smoky eye. Don't think I've got a grey eye pencil, so that's really nice and creamy as well. Is it? Why? Why did you run out of small ones or what? This is just another eyebrow pencil, so should we just compare it to the other shade? There's the other shade there. Yeah, this one's a bit darker. Same sort of, it's quite dry, but still weirdly pigmented. Oh, it's like an eyelash. That one's Spike, that one's Imprint, so, I mean, depending on my mood, to be honest, my brows can be either of those colours. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Bye! bye.